Yeah. Hey guys, this is Mana. Welcome to Movie Show. We, the DC fans, are so happy. The age of DC heroes and United is back, and thanks to Mr. Snyder. Mr. Snyder Cut Justice League is simply mind blowing and a complete reboot of 2017 version. Thankfully, it feels like a very different movie itself, and I'm amazed to see the amount of unused footage that was available to Mr. Snyder to stitch this movie all together without even shooting it any further. This version of Justice League simply works in my head much better. I mean, we clearly see the purpose of each superhero to join the big fight and what Steppenwolf or Darkseid wanted and why. That's very important. Each character is now brought alive with their background story and the purpose, and everything seems to be very logically falling into place for the big fight, and everybody contributes a lot. Even the mother boxes are explained properly. The science behind it is shown more than the myth, which was the mistake in 2017 version. Snyder just gave a new life to the DC universe again, and so much so that each one of us now have a favorite character and a ranking. Today I will share my DC superhero ranking from the Justice League film, and I would like to hear yours. So at number 6 for me is Aquaman. He's powerful and he's king of the ocean, and we see what he's capable of. I would have loved to see more of his power with water in the final fight, and therefore he's at number 6. Maybe next time he'll be doing some real fight. And number 5 is Batman. Batman was completely rubbished in 2017 version, ridiculed by fans. But in 2021 version, he is far better, but still below power. So I would say that I would have loved to see him scheming a bit more like a bat and some unseen gadgets which he is famous for. So he's at number 5 for me. At number 4 is Flash. Flash in 2017 was an insignificant superhero, but here is well established. His contribution to the big fight with a very clear description of his powers is nicely shown. He's funny too, and soon I think he'll be standing in parallel with Spider-Man in terms of the young adult liking. At number 3 is Cyborg for me. Just like a Flash in 2017 version of Justice League, he wasn't described very well. He was just another guy fighting along with the other main guys. But in the 2021 version, what we see surprisingly, he emerges as an underdog, and his full story, his emotional trauma and full powers are fully exploited. So therefore for me, he's at number 3. Number 2 is Wonder Woman. She is gorgeous, she is lethal, with so many women superheroes around like Supergirl, Batgirl, and Captain Marvel, Black Widow, and even Wanda. There is, I would say, tough competition, but in my mind, Wonder Woman just tops the chart. She stands tall with men, and sorry, I would say that she's actually ahead of men, kicking some serious asses in all her movies. Number 1 is such a relief, guys. Superman 2017 just used Superman for just name's sake, but Snyder presented him like God. Looking at him feels like he will rip everyone apart. What screen presence by Henry Cavill. Clearly in my head, he is the best Superman that we have seen so far. His arrival at the last scene will take your breath away. I don't want to give any spoilers. He's at number 1 for me. So happy to see him presented like this. So DC fans, that was my ranking for the DC characters in the new Justice League 2021, and I am eagerly waiting for your list as well. This version of the Justice League in my head would have done at least 300 to 400 crores in India alone, and I liked it very much. Quite comparable to MC's Avengers now, and maybe bigger. What say? I'm waiting for your comments. See you. Bye.